So in our last video session, we have talked about how to create and enable the person account. In I hope you have all gone through that video and enabled the person account in your org. So it will help you to understand the today's session as well. So you can do more practice once you have paused today's session. So that is based on basically on the lead conversion process on the using the person account as well as the business account, right? So we have a lead conversion video already created where we have seen the system lead conversion process system related. But what if we do have a person account and if we want to convert that lead for person account and separately for business account as well. So let's see how we can do it, right? So from here, let's go to our school management app. Not a school management tab. Let's go to sales. So you can see we do have a lot of things here, right? So already displaying as a tab, home, opportunity, lead, task, files, account, contact. So we have to be bothered about the lead conversion process and we have to consider only four object: lead, opportunity, account, and contact. So once we get the information using the lead, right? So let's create the lead here first. So whenever anyone is showing interest or we get any lead, then we have to fill the lead information. Yeah, first name Suresh, not Stephen, right? Stephen calls, something like that. You can. The company is showing as a mandatory field right here, so you have to fill the TCS and then email Stephen @gmail.com. Then other open not connected, and you have to see fill this information, whatever the information you want to fill, and click on save button. So this lead information is now stored into our database. Now we have to convert this lead into the uh, account and contact, because once they are interested to do the business with us, we have to convert those as account and contact. So we as we are filled the information here and the company is TCS, right? So we have filled the information of the company here. So once you click on the convert button, like after going all the going other stages as well. So once you click on the convert button, then select convert the status here. Then you can see the default record type is coming as business account, because for our system admin profile, the default record type selected as a business account. We have three record types: sales account, business account, and person account. But the person account is not showing here because we have given the company name value here. So once you given the we give the company name value here, automatically it won't consider the person account. It will consider other business account record type. So that is why the person account record type is not showing here. So you can create and contact an opportunity for this, right? TCS Stephen, right? And then you have to click on full close converters. You can see the account is created, contact is created, and opportunity is created. And you will be redirected it from here once you press the control and click the mouse, then you will be redirected to the contact and account and opportunity records, right? Account, contact, and opportunity record. But what if you fill the information without the company details on the lead object? Then what will happen? So from here, firstly you have to make sure that the company is not a mandatory field for your page layout. Then you have to go to the object manager and check the company field. Then you have to click on the field and relationship, and then you have to click on the page layout, and this is the lead layout, right? So let me see. The company is a mandatory field. So we can see here the company is a required checkbox as check. Let me check here, right? So I am not making as a mandatory field. Let me see if it is allowing me to fill the value. Let me click on the new button. Again, you can see it is showing me as a mandatory field. Let me see which layout it is using. Um, it is using the lead layout. What happens sometimes? Sometimes this is the system generated field, right? Company field is a system generated field. So from the page layout option, if you uncheck also, then it will won't override the system generated. If the system generated this field as a mandatory field, so if you are going to page layout and unchecking the required field button, so sometimes it happens it won't be override the system setting. So from here you have to upgrade it the dynamic page layout, and you have to click on the next button. Then you have to select the layout for which you want to uh, enable this dynamic form. Then click on finish. And now if you go to the company from here, you will be getting the option to uncheck it. Right, so required, this is none, this is not. Save it. So firstly, I will say try it with the page layout. If it does not reflect into your page layout, then you have to click on the edit page, and then from here you have to upgrade it to the dynamic form, and then from here you have to select the field and just click on the behavior and then activate it. So assign and as a org default or app default, but I want to set assign as all default for now. Let me save it again. Go back to the page. Then click on new button. Now you can see company is not required for now. Now I'm filling the individual information. Individual account record. Just click on individual@gmail.com. Now you can see this is lead is created with no information related to the company. Now if you go through all the stages and you want to convert this lead and you want to store this lead information with your account and contact record, so you can do it via the click on convert status, select convert status, and here you are seeing that you are getting the option here for the person account record type, because we have not filled the company information. That is why we are getting the default record type selected as a person record type here. You don't have to bother about selecting any other record type. Default will be selected as a person account only. Now you have to fill the opportunity details and all, right? 16th March. Now you have to click on the convert button. Now you will see only pop, uh, two pop-up option here. It is for one of for person account, one is for opportunity. And if you click on this, then it will be redirected to your person account and opportunity details, right? So later you can work with this lead uh, based on the opportunity, right? So that is how you store the individual account information. Like earlier we have seen that we have created the converted the lead using the company values, so it got converted as a business account, right? But we have not given the company name in one of the lead, and then we were getting the option to create an account as a person account, right? So that is how we can the lead, convert the lead as a person account. So during the lead conversion process, one of the other thing I wanted to show you here that you can map the lead field with your account opportunity and contact. So this is how the field maps during the lead conversion. So go here into the lead object and go to the field and relationship section. You can see the map lead fields. So once you click the map lead fields, you will be getting three options: account, contact, and opportunity. So this is the lead fields, right? For account, the lead fields if you want to map any custom field you have created into the account object, into the lead object, and you want to map it with one of your account field, then you have to select this field and you have to map. Uh, so during after the once the lead gets converted, this field value will be mapped with this field value into your account object. So similarly, for the contact also, this field value if you want to store inside the contact object with any of these fields, the current generators value should be, if you want to store into the label or something, then this will be going here, right? And similarly for the opportunity records, if you want to store a number of location into one of these fields, then you can select. So this will be the source and this will be the target field. So this is the source will be lead field and target would be anything, account or contact or opportunity fields, right? So this is how the mapping works during the lead conversion. By default, system automatically convert the lead field into the account and contact. So the default mapping is already there. You don't have to bother about. But if you are going to create a new custom field and you want to store any new custom field data, map the new custom field data with any of other account, contact, and opportunity field, you can go here and change the mapping, right? So this is one of the things also works during the lead conversion process. So you will find this thing when you do the actual project work, with which field you want to map from which lead field you want to map the account, contact, opportunity field. So you have to select it from here. So I hope you understood about today's session. Thank you all, and let's meet into the next videos. And meanwhile, you have to do practice. As much as practice you do, you will get the things clear in your mind. And if you have any question, you can reach out to me in our comment section. I will try to help you there. And yep, so let's meet into the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.